20 Best Niche Ideas for Finance Blogging. Sustainable investing, focus on socially responsible and environmentally friendly investment strategies. Cryptocurrency and blockchain, covering the latest trends, insights, and analysis in the world of digital currencies. Personal finance for millennials, providing financial advice tailored to the unique needs and challenges faced by millennials. Retirement planning, tips and strategies for planning a secure and comfortable retirement. Financial independence and early retirement, FIRE exploring the principles and strategies for achieving financial independence and retiring early. Real estate investing, sharing insights and tips on investing in real estate, including rental properties, flipping houses, and more. Small business finance, guidance on financial management, budgeting, and cash flow for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Tax planning and strategies, helping readers navigate the complex world of tax planning and optimization. Frugal living, tips for saving money, cutting expenses, and living a more frugal lifestyle. Stock market investing, analysis, tips, and strategies for investing in individual stocks and navigating the stock market. Credit and debt management, advice on building credit, managing debt, and improving financial health. Financial education for kids and teens, teaching children and teenagers about money management, budgeting, and savings. Personal finance for couples, tips on managing finances as a couple, budgeting, and achieving shared financial goals. Insurance and risk management, explaining different types of insurance, risk management strategies, and how to protect assets. Forex trading, insights, strategies, and tips for trading foreign currencies in the foreign exchange market. Dividend investing, exploring dividend stocks, dividend reinvestment plans, and strategies for generating passive income. Student loans and college financing, providing guidance on managing student loans, finding scholarships, and financing college education. Financial planning for families, covering topics such as budgeting, saving for college, insurance, and estate planning for families. Alternative investments, exploring non-traditional investment options such as peer-to-peer lending, angel investing, and venture capital. Personal finance for freelancers and gig economy workers, addressing the unique financial challenges faced by freelancers, independent contractors, and gig economy workers.